Hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you where and how you can check what Citrix policies have applied to a user when he logged into a VDA on your Citrix environment. And also I will show you, so the first thing we will see here in Director, and the second thing we will see in directly on the VDA on the computer where the user was logged in, so or is logged in, how we can check the domain policies that have applied to that machine and to that user. So let's start. First, have a new session with user 01. I don't even know how to, was it who? I forgot how to check what user is now connected, but if you type set, you will see. So I'm user 1, user 01. Okay, so I just wanted to check my my user, and let's go back to Citrix. So first we need to go to search for our user and go to view details. And if you scroll a little bit down, you will see here the policy tab. Here will be listed, you will see all the policies that apply to this user. So all that have been applied to this user when he logged into a machine. You can have 1, you can have 3, 4, 5, 7, it doesn't matter. You will see all of them. So those are Citrix policies that come from here, from the policies. So to this user, this policy has applied because I only have 1, and I filtered it for the machine catalog where the user started the VM. Okay, so this was the Citrix part, and then on the machine itself, so I'm now connected as the user, and if I go with gpresult and the R, you will see some information for this user. You will see the user settings, what from what domain controller this policy came, the domain name, and in what security groups the user is in. But you do not see the policies that have applied to this VM. So if you are not an admin, you will not see only you will not see all the details. You will only see the user related stuff. But for example, if we start a command prompt as an administrator, and we do the same command, so gpresult and we need to also mention the user, because if I leave it only like this and hit enter, you will see that this user doesn't have any data because I did not log in to this machine. I only opened the command prompt as an admin with this user. So to get the information about user 01, we have to also type user and then the domain, test lab, and the username user 01. Okay, and we will get almost the same information. So this is the same as if you run it as a normal user, so everything is the same, but additionally we will get the information about the policies that have applied to the computer, so not to the user, to the computer. And those policies, the policy that apply to the computer, apply to all users. So if you have a computer policy applied to this VM, the settings from that policy apply to all user, plus each user separate policy if they have a separate policy. And as we can see, to this VM, two policies applied that are custom, so they are made by me. This is the default domain policy, and this is the local group policy. And let me just show you to have a visual idea. Let's go to our domain controller, and there I can show you the GPOs. Cancel. Okay, so I am in the MCS O, and there we can see that we have the Citrix profile container and the C infra SRV, exactly the same like we see here in our GP result. And furthermore, if I go with host name, so this is MCS VDA01, and if I go back to the domain controller, because here in the group policy management console we do not see the computer objects, what we can see them in the Active Directory console. And if I go to MCS, then I will see my my machine. So all the those two policies apply to all these computers, and every user that connects to these computers will have the policies that apply to the computer object. So those two plus the policies that individually apply to the users. So the users can also have separate policies, and those policies will be applied during the logon process. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you liked this type of video, please subscribe to my channel.